right. All right, still on the matter. This one is straight yarns on Wazobia TV. But if they watch me live here, this one a serious issue concerning this bus Animation Road when it close to Bode Thomas, when linked to the former governor of Lagos State, Governor Raji Babatunde Fashola, and linked to the area. But if you watch this road don't bad since too hard in tenor. This road not today okay. This road they bad. So many accidents don't happen for here. Kale this road now linked to Doyin bus stop. This road linked to Doyin bus stop. If they watch me live, most of now they stay this area. We now know what they talk about. Well, after just come here this afternoon, some people just drag our attention, say no, we must cover this road more time for TV. Still let the matter straight hands on Wazobia TV. Federal government or they call federal government, state government, I beg. Make una come look into the matter of this road because they say the people say they don't contribute money tire by themselves. Say but when they see anything, say get one fee when they pay, but I'll find out about that fee later from the people. Make a really the main detail about the OT when they happen for this road because this road don't suppose to be because this road linked to the express when you go to Badagry Road when linked to ECOWAS Road. But even that ECOWAS Road too, man, my brother, they don't abandon them totally. You don't touch abandon project. When we say abandon project, we start to the work they active for this country. Make we know. I beg. Now make me the beg una. I dey beg una. You know so una be chairman. State government. When I try, when I can answer these people. If not be state government, talk to the local government chairman. Make you come tidy this road. And they talk about that road when linked to sensor. And they talk about that road when they for Bode Thomas near that. And they talk about Babs Animation Road. Babs Animation Road, now they talk about so. I bet try. Make una come look into the matter. The road bad, not be small. Even some motor now, they pass one way. Then when they pass one way finish, police go use them to shine. And policemen they know say the road not good. They'll call they wait for them, make they pass one way. They call use them to shine. Now it take worse pass. And the people that they shine pass now all these care people, any motor when just pass one way, they go use them to shine. Why police they use them to shine? They take the advantage of say because the local government or the local government chairman no fit doing work well. They take until they shine. My brother, wait till they happen for this country. I know if you call her whether intimidation or whether advantage of making money. I not just know what I go call her. But this country get a long way to go. We get a long way to go. Even we, the press people, I not lie for you. Now one way we blow now to avoid delay. Are they come? All right, still on the matter, on the road matter. If I tell you now before, say yes, state government need to look into this road issue of it. Yeah, bros, Alpha. They say don't you win this road bad. So over 2 years now. What do you know? You get any idea why they never repair the road?
I can't really say.
You can't really say. All your own are to just to drive. Why others they go also make them do the road? Yeah. You get any idea why they never do this road? You get to talk about this road and.
This road. All what I have to say about the road is.
Speak pidgin English, my brother.
The thing why I want to talk about the road be say the road. If you look at it, you go see say it's too bad. Nobody know wetin make government no wan do am. Whether they no wan do am, abi they no get. We believe say money dey to do am, but they no wan do am.
And they say you get one money one na dey pay development something like that.
We dey pay development.
How much?
We dey pay 100 naira.
Development fee.
Development.
Every day una dey pay.
Every day.
Una know the right source na dey pay the money to. Whether na right source.
The union dey collect am na.
But then they develop the road.
I
know you get one particular money where they say they pay one time.
I don't know about that one.
Okay, you don't get idea about that one. All right, still on the matter on Street Channels on Wazobia TV, still on the road concerning Babs Animation and when linked to Doyin bus stop and that ECOWAS road. When they even that ECOWAS road they abandon and I know why they abandon them, but that will not be a state government problem. That's a federal government problem. All right, because even the problem for federal government itself, they never fixed this over up to now. Are they with one guy here too? The guy go tell now more about the road. What be the whole problem? What be the are they one with one? He call himself Naija. Waiting. Naija talkative. So what you get to talk about the road?
The road is very bad, as you can see already.
No, if you help me speak pidgin English.
Okay, the road is very bad. As everybody see am, as they take look and no good at all. And several times, at times we used to contribute money to feed the road, to buy those all those things. At times to put there to fill down.
So now they feed the road by themselves.
Yes, sir.
I just say you get one church too and they feed the road.
This is the road that some church used to fill. Now this road some church they fill. You understand? But now like saying government do this one, but they
not finish work.
They don't finish work.
Abandon project.
Abandon project. Nigeria see there with that.
No, how long the road don't they bad like this?
It has quite an age. Don't take. I don't think we don't do there.
All right, sir.
We damage our keke very well. The road is damaging our bike very well.
Normally, Nigeria road not too good before. Nigeria road they spoil Nigeria cars. Nigeria road they spoil Nigeria cars. So that's a normal thing.
Our header, they help us do our road.
They get headers for you. They get headers for you.
We have headers now.
Because if they get header for you, header for they do their work as an header. To me, header when not they work, not be header for where they. They told us they looking like I don't know what the name I'll call them, but not be header for where they. All right, still on the matter, straight chance on Wazobia TV. We talk about the bad road for Babs Animasha when linked to ECOWAS road. What will be your name, sir?
My name is
Okay. What you got to talk about this road for this Babs Animasha road when linked to Donyi ECOWAS road?
We just want to beg Governor Bode make it help us because Fashola don't do anything for us per year, especially for this rural area. Don't do anything. Make Bode help us to clear the road, even though to patch it. So we manage
the latest local government channel.
For now, no latest na CD no shama for now for local government. Okay. Now SCD they use now.
Okay.
For them after the because they never do election for now.
Okay.
So after the election now they no government shama dey there.
Because so but I hear say whether the former governor of this state, Raji Fashola himself, say former governor, say whether in area na in family house have been in house there.
Now this is really na the area na inform come out to be the governor for the Lagos state.
So they not do anything.
They don't do anything for this rural area. So people know that the road, even though before after for this flood regime, we meet him. So he promised he go do something on the road. He not do anything.
Up to now, they not do anything.
They don't do anything. So
now that one, the more you look, the less you see.
So so now we not beg Governor Bode make he help do something for the road before he come out.
Okay.
PDP. We are APC. We not PDP. We are APC for this rural area.
Okay.
So that is it.
All right, still on the matter on Street Chance on Wazobia TV. If you watch me live, the matter in the gram is say yes, now just the road, bad roads went there for some part of Lagos. And the part of Lagos when I did on Babs Animasha, that road when it linked to ECOWAS Expressway, when that ECOWAS Expressway linked to Badagry, linked to anywhere. That now expressway, we say yes, now major road be that. Even the expressway itself, they abandon because government is a be abandon project where. Even they're supposed to send government project to abandon project association. They're supposed to get committee of abandon project now. That kind of thing. Still on the matter on Street Chance on Wazobia TV. I see they look for one or two people and I know say yes. Go get any to talk about this road. But I know say yes, I must get one or two people. Chairman, how you there? Yeah, Wazobia TV.
Okay.
Now just you go help me speak pidgin English. What you get to talk about this road now?
Which road? This road. This road is not good. It's not good at all. So it's damaging many people cars.
If you hear me speak pidgin English.
Hello.
Come. Okay, you never finish. You see, some people they fear camera because they fear because they chop for the government too. So they don't want to leak their secret, they don't want to talk, so that when they go government house, they not go give them. Not be you will see they talk that day. Why you go talk like this and that? Still on the matter, now what they kill this country with that? I not lie for you. If everybody will come out with one mind. I remember one time, most Nigerians, they fear to protest. Everybody fear their head. And that. Bros, what you got to talk about the road?
Well, I
I pidgin English, oh.
Well, I don't get anything to talk about the road, but people then give the project. I believe say when government don't start work like they suppose. I don't get much to talk about the road, but it don't be like that. What we just need and make government fit come around, come look about the road.
Make they come look about the road.
Make they come look about the road. Okay. And the road don't dey for a very long time, don't spoil. Even the contractors wey dem give the road, they suppose don finish the work, but they just do small, leave small work for another government make dem come start work. And by now when you go outside, you see say they don assign and say they don do the road, and of which they never do the road. And e no suppose be like that.
Okay. All right, quick it there, still on the matter. Straight yes, quick it. Now most of the cool men be that. Most of the cool men, I know what they do. Make I ask people when they use the road. People when they use the road. Bros, how far, bros. People when they use the road, express the road. How far? How you doing now? What you got to talk about the road?
No be the road matter, na for house, dem still house for Orile.
They see wetin?
Dem still house for Orile.
They still house.
For Orile bus stop here, dem still house.
They still house. All right, you know say some people not everybody head dey normal sometimes. Some people they don't take that thing for afternoon.
They don't go report for Orile.
Yes, and that's and some people they do like that. What you got to talk about the road? Your road dey okay. The road dey okay. That guy, I tell you, say indoor eye. Okay, what you get to talk about it?
That the road no good at all. That the Jimo Dutola is not okay. Imam Jimo Dutola is not okay. The road no good. So Imam Dada, the road no good.
This Papa
But Animashan, the road no good. But to Bode Thomas, the road no good. A Toller Street, the road no good. Yeah, that's the Fashola area. Yeah, that's a Toller Street. Yes. The road no good at all. They just repair the people. The contractor will take the work. They don't do the road. They don't live on. All the place they nyama. So yeah, the road not good at all.
All right, still on the matter. I just say get some money when they pay here before to contribute to develop the road.
I don't know about that one. I don't know about that one. So now our chairman, I don't get there. Now our chairman go no.
I mean this man, they use this road too.
No, now I've been driver now. Commercial.
What you get to talk about this road?
This road is very bad now. Yes, it's very bad. Government have to put interest of this road so that they will do it well.
Speak pidgin English. You get any money when they pay to?
We dey pay money now. They collect money for our hand. They collect money for our. They pay 100 naira, 200 naira, council ticket, everything.
So you get one money, they pay one time 2,000 something.
Yes. Then to repair this road now, the government have to repair this road so that this road, the government they pay for the road because all the whole money we dey pay, they go government pockets. Yes, they have to do it very well.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
All right, still on the matter on Straight Chance on Wazobia TV. Make I take the last message so that I just wrap up this show. Bro, how far now? What you get to talk about this road now?
We don't tire because we personally ourselves, we are the executive here. We operate and that road we we don't pack block. We don't push for severally. This thing still the chop so we beg government, the government go fit assist us. When we ask we dey pay tax for government, we dey do all this thing, we dey do normal thing. So we never assist us do the road.
When they pay tax here?
We are paying tax.
Like how much? Like how you guys say you get one money when we say they be tax now 7 and pay here.
Yes, now we have council tickets and all those so revenue.
Now they put her inside there.
Yes. So at least from that revenue they can even look onto it and look to it and assist us with that thing. Even if not for that, we are in the community, working for the community, working in the community, living in the community. As if they can see to us, just look up and pardon us and pity us. See how these guys then they try. No, nothing what we fit do, we no fit thief.
When you talk of pity, sure say Nigerian politicians they pity people.
When they try pity us because we ourselves now we they work for them. wetin make them be politicians? They can't rule themselves. They will rule us. They will rule the country, rule us. Yeah. Now we was if we don't work for them, they can't be there as the government.
Yeah,
so that's what I believe. They should just look and consider and see what to do about it. Okay. They should help us for the road. That's all. Yes.
They say get one church when they help that they feel and sometimes.
I think
the global impact.
Yes, the church said they try. Even we said they try. Yeah. We don't go lie because you get many people who don't pack food at our place. But you get where our own power reach. Where we feel that reach because we know the government. So please, with the beg government where they help us.
Yes, una dey hear. E don reach for me to drag you. Now dey hear. When I can't help them build Babs Animation Road. Babs Animation Road. That road when they off Bode too much. That Ijimo Dutola. When I come build the road, when I come make the road dey okay. That road when linked to Badagry Expressway, ECOWAS Road for relay, Doyin bus stop. When I call even that one, they don't abandon that one. If you see the kind of hold up when they did that place, steady. Government, although now supposed to stop on a siren, when I pass one day, when I stay for hold up like 2-3 hours. Now know what the less privileged people they achieve for this country. God bless you. Still on the street channel of Wazobia TV. Make it there. Make. Oh. Make una call do the road.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.